sinusuportahan? Yun ba yun, Direk?
Hindi naman, pero kaya ako siningit yung nasabi na parang telenovela. Kasi syempre, ayoko naman kayo bigyan ng hard news. Entertainment pa rin. But, kidding aside, parang telenovela yung pinagdadaanan namin kahit paano nung wife ko. Kasi, as you know, probably know, yung kuya ko, si Kuya Alan, and his wife, Mayor Lani, is supporting another candidate. Na okay lang sa akin. Okay lang sa akin. Pero syempre, there are challenges sa family. Nung mayor po ako noong 3 taon, I decided not to run for re-election para magbigay daan kay Mayor Lani. So kinausap ako ni Kuya Alan, gusto raw tumakbo ng asawa niya. And para hindi na magulo, para hindi na magkaroon ng away o kung ano man, on my own, I stepped aside, Mayor Lani ran. Itong election na to, 2025, I told my family again na gusto mong bumalik bilang mayor. Kasi nakikita ko bilang mayor, mas marami ka talagang matutulungan. Again, sabi nila, Mayor Lani wants to run. So, I stepped aside and I decided to run for Congress. So, akala ko, madali na nila akong susuportahan. No? But I decided to run as an independent, with or without their support. Pero nagulat ako nung sinuportahan nila yung magiging kalaban ko ngayon, no? Si Congressman Ating Cruz, na kaibigan ko rin naman. So yun, medyo masalimuot. But at the end of the day, we're family. And alam niyo naman yung election, parang showbiz, no? Minsan nagkakaroon ng alitan, nagkakaroon ng intrigahan. But I'm hoping and I'm praying that at the end of the elections, makita nila that we're still family. And the only thing I think more important than family is our obligation to each other at yung obligasyon natin sa Panginoon. Na tingin ko, mas yun yung mahalaga when you think of serving and serving the city you love.
Naging mayor, pandemic mayor, and then ngayon you took a break, and then bumalik ka ngayon, first district naman. Siguro devoid of my personal opinion, but Taguigeños were really like parang satisfied with the way you handled the pandemic, and they would think na parang mas effective ka to be mayor. What's your thought on that, sir?
Pag naririnig ko yun, especially during the pandemic, I always say that I owe that a lot to my training in production and in show business. In production, I think yung work ethics natin is unparalleled. Yung mga tao sa production, mga artista natin, tayo, showbiz media, everyone in entertainment, I think, wag mamasamayin ng iba, pero I think works twice as much, no, as people in other industries, because so much is asked of us. I think naging effective ako as a mayor because of our experience working together, producing, directing, and I wanted to run as mayor kasi pakiramdam ko, mas marami tayong magagawa. I think, politics aside, but kunyari si Mayor Joy Belmonte in Quezon City is doing so much for the industry. Kasi like ako, hindi ko maihiwalay yung pagmamahal ko sa industriya dun sa pagmamahal ko sa bayan ng Taguig tsaka munisipyo ng Pateros. And I think there's so much we can do kung mayor yung tatakbuhin ko. But I love and I respect my brother and my sister-in-law, and I think effective naman sila. May mga bagay lang na siguro hindi pareho yung pananaw namin, but I think they're effective. So, sa pananaw ko bilang congressman, makakatulong ako sa kanila. So, yun yung approach ko when I decided to run for congressman. Na bilang congressman, madadala ko yung experience ko bilang isang city mayor, ma-advise si Mayor Lani. At the same time, I can fight for the advocacies nung industriya. Kung mayor ako, marami ako siguro magagawa para sa atin, pero sa lungsod ng Taguig lang. Parang yung ginagawa ni Mayor Joy, creating a film office, creating a film festival, fixing yung amusement tax. Pero sa Kongreso, ang maganda naman doon para sa industriya, tingin ko, mas malaki, mas malawak yung may paglalaban ko pagdating ko sa industriya.
Okay, thank you, Direk. Your seat, yung first district ng Taguig Pateros, or Taguig Pateros, is one of the most competitive in Metro Manila. In 2022, less than 10,000 votes separating the winner and the loser. How important is a family endorsement for you to win or lose your election?
I think, unang-una, I'm in the first district of Taguig and Pateros. Tama ho, nagsimula ko yung political career ko sa Barangay Fort Bonifacio. Director ho ako na ng NOAA, yung pelikula ni Zijan at ni Piolo. It's one of my first big projects sa Dreamscape. And I ran for barangay captain. Pero ang kasaysayan ko kasi nun, estudyante pa lang ako, nandun na ako sa District 1, yung distritong to. So this is the district of my family. This is where my dad ran and won bilang assemblyman noong 1984. Nandito yung bahay namin sa Bagumbayan. So for almost or more than a decade, nandito ako sa distrito namin. Lumipat lang ako ng District 2 nung humingi ng tulong si Mayor Lani. So from the start, kaya ako napasok sa politika kasi humingi ng tulong yung pamilya ko. Ito siguro yung una kong takbo na ako ang nagdesisyon na gusto kong tumulong. Of course, I want the endorsement of Mayor Lani, of Kuya Alan. Pero I think kilala na rin ako ng mga Taguigenyo tsaka mga kababayan ko sa Pateros. So I won't say it's not important. It's important. And siguro hanggang Mayo, liligawan ko yung endorsement ni Mayor Lani tsaka ng brother ko. Pero something na I won't compromise is I'll always speak my mind. I'll always tell them the truth. Kung may maganda silang ginagawa, susuportahan ko. Kung may hindi maganda, sasabihin ko. And I think that's what partnerships are built on. I've learned so much working with Regal. Tinatawagan ako ni Mr. Rosella pag may problema. Usap kami. Usap kami ni Keith. We have many conversations from production to marketing. And ako, yung totoong partnership, sasabihin mo kung may mali. Sasabihin mo kung na yung tama. Magtutulungan kayo sa tamang direksyon. And ako, yun yung isang bagay na hindi ko kinokompromiso. That's why running as an independent, palagay ko, mas libre ako na magbigay advice. Kunyari, sasabihin ko sa kapatid ko, huwag masyado makipag-away. Sasabihin ko na kahit sa politika, mas maganda when you have alliances and you can help more people by making more friends.
Direk, one last question for me. Ito ata yung unang eleksyon na 3 barangays from Makati will vote for a Taguig representative. Tama ba? Rizal, Comemo,
Yes.
Tatlo. Direct, magko-compare yan. How the Bines took care of them. What's your reaction?
I think yun yung isang malaking pagkakaiba. Isang malaking pagkakaiba namin, baka ni Mayor Lani at ni Kuya Alan. If I was mayor during the time na yung EMPO, ang tawag doon EMPO Barangays ay na-award sa Taguig, I think magiging very different yung approach ko. Because I think there are things that we can learn from Makati. And I think masyado kaming naging competitive. Ang problema sa pagiging competitive, ang naging biktima, yung mga taga-EMBO. So for example, yung mga taga-EMBO ngayon, sikat sa buong Pilipinas yung OSMAC, di ba? Hospital ng Makati. Pasok ka lang, taga-Makati ka, pwede ka mag-dialysis. Masama ba sabihin na napakagandang programa nun? Ako, napakagandang programa nun. Yung mga kababayan namin ngayon sa EMBO, hindi sila makapasok sa OSMAC. So for me, hindi masama na ako, isang Cayetano, lalapit sa administrasyon ng Makati at sabihin, may paraan ba para magamit ng constituents namin yung ospital ng Makati? So ako, it's something na I think I bring to the table na since hindi ako politiko at wala akong pangarap na pang-nasyonal, ang gusto ko lang gawin, mapagsilbihan yung mga kababayan ko. And again, it's a lesson from showbiz. Sa showbiz, pag hindi ko alam paano tirahin tong eksenang to, hindi ako nahihiya na ito, natututo pa lang ako ng pagdidirect sa Starstruck, kasama ko na yung iba sa inyo. Tatanong ko talaga sa DOP ko, paano kaya maganda coverage nito? Tatanong ko sa artista ko, anong tingin niyo? Mataas ba ito o mababa? Parang I think in showbiz, we learn to collaborate. And normal sa ating tanggapin na maraming magaling. Minsan sa politika, gusto nila, ang magaling, ito lang, Taguig lang. And ako, I think that's something I bring to the table that I've learned in production and in entertainment. Na hindi masamang humingi ng tulong sa iba at hindi masamang sabihin na magaling ang Pasig, magaling ang Pateros, magaling ang Taguig, magaling din ang Makati.
Thanks, Direk, and good luck.
Yeah.
You know, people are, well, I am expecting a plot twist in all these. And I was surprised with you saying na hanggang last minute, pwede mong kumbinsihin yung kapatid mo na supportahan ka. If they are to like pick up something now as a soundbite, you talk to your brother, what can you say?
Siguro, I'll tell my brother na pareho kami pareho yung nagpalaki sa akin. No? We have the same values. maybe we don't have the same approach. But I think at the end of the day, kaming magkakapatid, Pia, Ate Pia, Kuya Alan, silang mga nasa politika, I think we share the same values. Iba lang yung approach namin. So ako, I hope that we can trust each other, na we are all competent and we're all capable, and that in our hearts, we all want to help and to serve the Filipino people, and that we allow each other to do so.